To install APK files on the Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, just go for the browser and input the name of application or file that you want to download with APK phrase at the end. Now search for the website where you can actually get it. So there's like different websites where you can find those APK files like Softonic or for example, APK Mirror. For me, I'm always trying to get the website of developer. So in this case, I'm searching for the Huawei website and I got the Huawei website. For the Huawei app and I got Huawei website. I have to search for the download button. Now, when the file is downloaded, you have to go for downloads. Now tap on the file and click OK. In this case, as you can see, we got the advanced protection. So we have to go for the settings and turn it off, because without this, it will be not possible to actually install. Now click on the settings, accept installation and no apps from this source. Then click on the install, wait for this. And after a few seconds, it will be just simply installed on your phone and you will be able to find it in the application drawer. As you can see here, I have, for example, this application. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching.